This is the bird nest fern found at the USM Eco Hub. It belongs to the pteridophyte division because it reproduces using spores instead of seed. Its large green frond form a nest shape. These ferns help retain moisture and provide shelter for the insect and small forest organisms. This is the staghorn fern from the USM Eco Hub. It is a pteridophyte because it is a non-flowering plant that reproduces by spores. The fern has short frond and the antler-like fertile frond. It helps nutrient cycle, provide habitats for insects, and support biodiversity in forest ecosystem. This is the Ester red cedar located near Desa Siswa Cahaya Gemilang Harapan. It belongs to the gymnosperm division because it produces cone instead of flower. The tree has evergreen leaf and berry-like cones. It provides shelter for wildlife, acts as a windbreak, and stores carbon dioxide.
This is the oat-leaf basket fern found at the USM Eco Hub. It belongs to the pteridophyte division because it reproduces through spore. The fern has brown basket frond and green fertile fronds. It traps organic matter, supports nutrient cycling, and provides shelter for frogs and small organisms. This is the peach lily commonly found in campus landscaping area. It belongs to the angiosperm division because it is a flowering plant that produces seed. The plant has glossy green leaf and a white spot. It helps purify air, regulate humidity, and improve environmental quality naturally. This is the cook pine located near the museum area. It belongs to the gymnosperm division because it produces nuki seed in coin. The tree has a tall columnar shape with whole branches and scale-like leaf. It functions as a carbon sink and provides nesting site for birds.
This is the floating fern found at Tasik Harapan USM. It belongs to the pteridophyte division because it reproduces using spores instead of seeds. This aquatic fern floats freely on water surface. It improves water quality, controls algae growth, and provides shelter for small aquatic organisms. Next is hedge bamboo found near Tasik Aman in USM. It belongs to the angiosperm division because it is a flowering vascular plant that produces seeds. The bamboo grows rapidly with dense green leaves and rhizomes. It helps reduce soil erosion, stabilize soil, and protect surrounding ecosystems.
This is moss, scientifically known as Funaria hygrometrica, found near the DK foyer drains. It belongs to the Bryophyta division because it is a non-vascular plant that reproduces through spores. Moss grows in damp areas, retains moisture, prevents soil erosion, and provides habitats for tiny organisms. This is water jasmine, located outside the School of Biological Sciences office. It belongs to the angiosperm division because it is a flowering plant that produces seeds. The shrub has white flowers and green oval leaves. It attracts pollinators, supports biodiversity, and helps stabilize soil in landscape areas.
This is Heliconia rostrata found near Cafe Triabakti Fajapermai. It belongs to the angiosperm division because it reproduces through flowers and seeds. The plant has large green leaf and hanging red bracts. It attracts pollinators, supports biodiversity, and enhances the beauty of the environment. This is Bougainvillea spectabilis found around Cafe Triabakti Fajapermai. It belongs to the angiosperm division because it is a flowering plant that produces seeds. The shrub has colorful bracts, thorny stems, and green leaves. It attracts pollinators, provides shelter for insects, and beautifies landscape areas.